This video is going to talk about angles. Angles are what happens when two straight lines meet. So here's one here, and they're normally shown with a little curved line like this. Angles are measured in degrees normally. In this video we're just going to look at ordering them from biggest to smallest. So an angle can go from 0 all the way around to 360 degrees. Here's some other angles for example. This one's bigger, you can see it's wider, and this one is smaller, you can see it's more closed. Here's an example that will help you understand that a bit better. So for example here we've got a Pac-Man, and you can see his mouth open very wide, and we've got some pizza, and you can see the angle of the pizza is smaller than the angle of Pac-Man's mouth, and we can turn that around and have a look. You'll see that it's smaller because it will fit inside Pac-Man's mouth. So Pac-Man is bigger and the angle of the pizza is smaller. Let's have a look at ordering some examples then. So we've got three angles here, and we'll see the little red curve showing us which angle we're measuring. Have a look at these angles, pause the video and see if you can figure out which is smallest and which is biggest. We'll have 1 for the smallest, 2 for the middle one, and 3 for the biggest. Okay, let's see if you've got that correct then. So the smallest angle is this one at the bottom here. You can see that would fit inside the other two angles. The middle angle is on the left, we've labelled that number 2, and then the largest angle is the most open one, and we've put that as number 3. Well done if you got those correct. Okay, let's have a look at another 4 examples and see if we can order those. There's going to be a specific angle in this video that's going to be looked at in future videos called a right angle as well. See if you can spot it. So here's our 4 angles. And you may have noticed that some have got a curve and then one has got the little square symbol, which means it is a right angle. And they are always 90 degrees, which is something to remember for the next videos. Pause the video now then and see if you can order these. Okay, let's see if we got that correct then. So the smallest angle is this one at the bottom, that's number 1. The next biggest one is on the left. And then on the top right, we've got the right angle in at number 3. Again, that will be 90 degrees. And then the last one is number 4, which is the biggest angle. Well done again if you got those correct.